Welcome once again to iTech, and thank you for choosing this video. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you'll be able to make money by just watching videos for 30 seconds, and each video that you are going to watch for this 30 seconds, you are just going to earn $0.01. So as you can see, this is how much I've earned from this platform by just watching 30 seconds video. So without wasting much of your time, let me take you through the app and show you how you're going to use it. But I've pinned the link of the app in the description box, so you just check that after this video. Click on the link to get this app. So this is the dashboard, and the dashboard shows how much you are earning here. So on your first time, you just have to create your account. Then after creating your account, you can start earning. You have to make sure that you verify your account from your email address. Okay, now when you open the app, this is what you are going to see. You see dashboard here, you see earn. So you see analytics, you see billing, you see referral program settings, and then the logout. So we have to make money. So all you have to do, just come here, which is the end part of this, and then you click on that. Now when you click on that, it will take you to this place. Choose the method of earning. So 100 points equals to $1. So when you watch this video and it gets 100 points, you're going to get $100. Play a game, so you can earn by playing a game from this platform. You can also earn by fill out surveys. You can also earn by watching videos. You can also learn by shopping online. You can also earn by micro tax. So these are the different taxes that you can perform in order to earn money from this platform. Okay, so the one that I'll talk about today is earn by watching videos. So just click on earn, and then it will take you to Fiber. So you click on Fiber, and then we are going to start watching this video. So watch video for 30 seconds to receive 0.9 points. Okay, so you just click on start here. So I have to just pause for the advert to play, then I'll come back. So the 30 seconds of this advert has finished, so just click here. Okay, you can also watch another video. Just okay, so watch the entire video correctly and receive 0.9 points. Okay, so you just click on watch the video again. So you can also watch another video. This is 14 seconds, so it is going. You just complete all these things and you'll be able to earn the coin. Okay, go back here and you just go to your dashboard, and you see that what you watch will be added to you. So as you can see, this is how much I'm earning. It was 5, and after watching these two videos, it has moved to 0.06. Now someone will say, how am I going to withdraw my money after performing tax here? So you just go to billing, this side here. Okay, you go to billing and then you click on that. Then as you can see, this is how much I'm earning, and they have a threshold of what, $10. So when you reach this $10, you are going to get your money. So this is how you get paid. You don't need to add a payment method until you reach the earning threshold. So you just have to reach this $10, then after that you can add your payment method and you'll be get paid for performing tax on this platform. So guys, this is how you're able to use this app to make money online by just watching video. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.